So in 11.4, we're going to cover the law of cosines. In the previous section, you learned about the law of sines, and that really only works if you are able to pair up a opposite angle and an opposite side. So when that doesn't work in a certain triangle, you have the law of cosines. So this will work with the side angle side scenario. Okay, where that wouldn't be able to use for law of sines. So law of cosines has a formula that looks like this. A squared equals b squared minus c squared, plus 2bc cosine of angle A. I'm missing a c in there. C and then cosine. We'll put it a capital C. Okay, so you can do a variation of any three of these things. In this case, we are dealing with these three parts where you have B and C, you have side A, and you have angle A. But you can use any one of the side angle side corners. So you can use angle B that goes with side B with the two adjacent sides, and the same thing goes for C. So you can use a variation of any one of those three. So obviously, if you're missing the side here, all you would have to do is plug in your pieces and be able to plug it into the calculator fairly easily. When you are missing an angle, though, you have to move all of this stuff in the beginning to the other side, which can take a lot longer and allow for more mistakes. In this case, we actually have a formula that's already been rearranged for us in order to solve a missing angle fairly easily. You can use this original one, which is fine. It'll just take you a little bit longer. So here's our alternate formula that will also work. So once again, we are solving for cosine of angle A this time. And all they did was move stuff to the other side. So b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2bc. So all they did was rearrange it so that you have an angle on the left side, and all you would have to do is eventually do the inverse of that right side of the equation. So both of those will work.